Hey Justify family, welcome back again. If you are a creator with AI videos, you know the biggest single immersion break is silence. If you don't understand what I mean, see this. So you generated this incredible scene with the help of AI, but the character opens their mouth and nothing happens. So to cover this up, you will have to spend some extra time in editing, adding voiceovers and sound design. Well, that era is officially over. Today, we are diving deep into the biggest update yet from the Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio. This isn't just an add-on, it's a fundamental change. It actually brings expressive voice, sound and motion into one seamless flow. We are going to break down exactly what Kling 2.6 audio does. I will showcase my full workflow on the Higgsfield platform and see if it can truly replace my need for separate sound editing. Stick around because the results are genuinely unreal. So let's start with the headliner, which is native audio. So this is actually a multimodal engine that produces complete scenes, synchronized visuals, ambience and voice all in one go. So to help you better understand, there are two videos on your screen. The one on the left you can see is the Kling 1.0 and on the right hand side you can see Kling 2.6. So let's play them one by one.
It's over.
It's over.
As you can see in the Kling 2.6 version, sound quality is really awesome and the image sharpness is also up to the mark. So let's first discuss this thing before moving to the demo. It's not just about adding the sound. Higgsfield has been working under the hood. Kling 2.6 also brings better motion fidelity, cleaner camera paths, more stable objects and higher prompt precision. It understands your actions, style and emotional tone better than ever before. And for the creators who need that final polish, we are talking full 1080p quality. This update is designed for modern content, shorts, trainers, ads and concept pieces. So it's ready to drop straight into your edit timeline.
So guys, as you can see, I am on the Higgsfield.ai website and there are no mobile apps for Higgs.ai. It's the only official website which is I am on currently. My goal is to create a short explainer clip for a fictional product. So let's see how fast Kling 2.6 can make this. So let's head over to the video section and let's click on the Kling 2.6. So if you don't have any image, you can just start by entering the prompt. So I'm going to add my prompt and which says a confident female scientist in a futuristic lab looking at the camera and explaining our new compound is stable, scalable and ready for deployment. Clean and cinematic lighting. So we have the audio here, duration is this and the aspect ratio you can definitely play with it. So for this one, let's keep it 16:9. Now I'm going to hit generate. It's currently in the queue and let's see how fast it generates such a result. Okay, so it looks like we have the video ready. So let's play it.
Our new compound is stable, scalable, and ready for deployment.
Wow, look at that. The character's mouth movements are perfectly synchronized. And the voice quality is excellent as well. I have a complete ready to use explainer snippet. No external voice actor, no audio editing, and that's actually a huge time saver. Next, I want to test the ambience feature. So let's try a different mode. So for the prompt, I'm going to give something like this, like a lonely wooden boat crossing in a severe ocean storm, the sound of crashing waves and heavy rain, epic framing. So for this one, I'm going to be using the same settings. So let's generate this. It's currently in queue and I will show you how it comes. Now it has moved to the in progress. So our video is ready. Now let's play it. Just wow, listen to that atmosphere. The sound design truly enhances the visuals. The rocking of the boat and the sound of the storm are generated with the scene. This is actually a game changer for concept artists and filmmakers wanting instant mode. For my final demo, I am testing the improved prompt precision. So I would be changing the prompt to something like this. Now I'm going to use the same settings as I did before. So let's hit generate and let the magic happen. So it's currently in queue and soon it will be moved into progress and then our final result would be visible. So our video is ready. Now let's play it. Wow. So this one really highlights the improved coherence. The motion is stable, the Canon looks incredible in 1080p, and we have the character voice plus the animal sound and the ambience of dust and wind. This is a full scene. Also, you can download it from here in 1080p size, and it's downloaded, and let's play it. As you can see, the quality is really superb and it's best for the shots. Currently I am using a different dimension, but definitely you can choose the size from here to if you want it in different size in a story format. Also very important guys, before we wrap up the demo, I need to share something really important and really crucial, that Higgsfield is offering Kling 2.6 unlimited generations for the subscriber who subscribe by the 12th of December. So don't miss out this opportunity and subscribe to the plan you see on the screen. That's it for the demo. I will see you on the other side.
And speaking of value, it's worth noting that Field has constantly aimed to be the most creator-friendly platform. So as you can see here, compared to the other models on the market, Higgsfield currently has the lowest prices. Getting this level of quality 1080p with native audio at this price point makes it arguably the cheapest AI platform for what it delivers. Kling 2.6 audio is just not an update. It's the future of AI video generation. It solves the biggest workflow headache for the creators and brings sound, timing and performance together with the visuals. This is actually a massive win for anyone making shorts, explainers or just fast concepts. You can find all the prompt examples which I used today in this video with more information and the link in the description below. Go and try it out for yourself and let me know in the comments what you are going to generate with the native audio. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to like and share the video with your friends. I will see you next time. Till then, keep exploring and keep designing. Bye.